Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is verb phrase 576. The verb phrase today is to put on, and we got 9 meanings and 9 uses. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. Here's the first one, to start cooking or warming something. Let's take a break. I'll put on some coffee and we can have some dessert. Yeah, we say this all the time. Put on coffee, put on tea, anything like that. Number 2, to bet on. I'll put $20 on the Yankee game for the Yankees to win. So this means you're going to bet. You're going to put money on them to win. Or number 3, to wear clothing or equipment, etc. I am going to put on my lucky shirt for my job interview tonight. So you're going to put this shirt on. That policeman needs to put on a gun holster while he is on duty. So that would be more like equipment. Okay, let's continue. Number 4, to organize a performance. Our son's school is going to put on a play and our son must act in it. So they're putting on the play, they're organizing it. Number 5, to fool or to deceive. That cannot be true. You must be putting me on. You must be trying to fool me or deceive me. Number 6, to perform for an audience. Okay. The kids were singing several songs. They were putting on a show for us. Good. Number 7, to put something on some place, right? Just put the groceries on the kitchen counter. So you're literally just placing them there. Number 8, to assume or adopt or behave in a particular way. He is very good at putting on a French accent. So we can pretend to have a French accent. The next one, I don't think he is really hurt. He is just putting on a leg injury so he can get out of work. So again, he's just pretending it. He's acting in this way. Number 9, to play a song on the radio or, turn on the TV, play a show on the TV. Yes. So we got 2 examples here. Let's put on some cartoons for the kids. Sure. And our last one, let's put on some soothing music and relax. Okay. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.